in the nuclear family, we can't learn a lot of and ways kind of things. But in the joint family, by the grandfathers, by the grandmother, by the grandparents, by the others related, brother, sister, siblings, we can learn a lot of things which is connected and which is necessary for us. But in the nuclear family, hello Nitin, how are you?
I'm fine.
Today we have the brilliant topic of the debate, and that's why I'm the favor of the joint family.
And I am the favor in the nuclear family.
Oh, so may I initiate first?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Firstly, going to the topic, firstly, we should understand what is the meaning of joint family. The meaning of the joint family, in the family, they are the parents, grandparents, their children, and the other relatives, they lives together in the same roof. And there are various kind of benefits in the joint family. Would you
Okay.
like to put your point?
Okay, so in the nuclear family, what is the meaning of nuclear family is that there should be two parents and one children. It can be two children, three children, and four can be also. And there can be also one single parent child. So I would like to say my advantages of nuclear family is that nuclear family has lot of advantages like stability, financial, and also communicating skills. Like they communicate together very nicely, also very quickly, and also they make decision what they have to do in the future, in the tomorrow or day to day. So they make their decision very quickly, and they never like got harmed by any financial issues. They never faces any financial issues. They always stable in it. And most of the India's not only India's, the world's 65% of people are living in a nuclear family.
I partially agree with you, but in that case, I want to say something. I put my point. Like we are in a modernization, as we know that, as you know. So in that case, we are adding new things in our life, which is the part of modernization also. And along with that, we are forgetting our culture. We are forgetting that how to live with the society, how to live in the family also. And the joint family, there is various kind of benefits. The first I would like to share, which is connected with the environment. In a joyful environment, if the children is living in these kind of environments, so he can be comfortable with that, and he can learn a lot of things from their grandparents, parents, and the other relatives. What about that? Yes, we are in our times the nuclear family is famous, but there is not a lot of benefits, na?
Okay, so when we supposed to introduce or when we supposed to enhance our culture, so why we always say joint family? We can enhance our culture in nuclear family also. We can see that there is where the people living in a nuclear family, they are financially stable also, and their country is also financially stable. In India, we can see that there is lot of joint family. People are living in joint family, but we are not able to grow our country. So when we supposed to live in a nuclear family, so when we think lot of things, and when we create ideas, and when we have lot of opportunities to grab it, and also you can see the example of it by watching Americans and Australians. They have nuclear family, and they have quite good enough to in any sports, in anything. They have different mindset to others. In India, there are a lot of family. There are joint family, but the India is now not growing. Why? Because in joint family there is too much hustle bustle, and the children can't get the opportunities that he can prove himself in front of families.
I'm not partially agree with you, because in that case, as you said, that there is a hustle bustle in joint family, but without environment, how can a person live without any entertainment? How can a person live in nuclear family? It is not all about just hustle bustle. It is all about the social things like responsibilities. If a person works in the nuclear family, there is a single person do job to survive with their family and the life of him or her. But in that case, when he was living with the joint family, so he has not that much responsibility. He can easily devise his responsibility with the others also, na? So there is also the benefit of this. And along with that, if I talk about the culture and the moral education, which is very important for all of us, because in the nuclear family we can't learn a lot of and various kind of things, but in the joint family, by the grandfathers, by the grandmother, by the grandparents, by the others related brother, sister, siblings, we can learn a lot of things which is connected and which is necessary for us. But in the nuclear family we can't, because there is just the family members, their parents and the children.
Okay, so that the line you said that there is no pressure in the joint family. But when we have pressure, when we have problems, so then we create ourselves in front of peoples, in front of our nations, that we can do something better. So nuclear family can be like they have their own community. They create their own community. They talk with each other, even parents. So and they doing the things like they want. Like if the 75% of family agrees with that particular decision, so the decision will be start. Also that you have said there is no hustle bustle, there is entertainment and enjoyment in the joint family. So if we supposed to just live in a joint family, so we just can't see the world, we just can't make the friends. If the person is like to be in the joint family, so he will always in a joint family, he will not see the world, he will not make the friends and all. But in the nuclear family he will, and also he will learn something from their friends, like because every person has some unique points about him or her, so he can learn something from that particular friend or that particular person.